We need to derive Engel curve for utility equals to x plus y. Okay. See, we know this that u equals to x plus y is the case of perfect substitutes. In order to derive an Engel curve, we need to derive first of all the Marshallian demand curves. Okay. Then for a given level of prices, these Marshallian demand curves themselves, they convert into Engel curves. So let's see how. You have your utility equals to x plus y. Okay. Price vector is given to you as P1, P2. Okay. And income of the consumer is given to you as M. Well, total expenditure is P1x plus P2y equals to M. Okay. So total expenditure is your P1x plus P2y, that is the expenditure on X plus expenditure on Y should be equal to income of the consumer. So P1x plus P2y is equal to M. Okay. Now we need to find out first of all the Marshallian demand curves for X and Y. Remember this that this is a perfect substitute case. So you will buy a commodity which is cheaper because both of them are giving you equal utility. If P1 is going to be less than P2, so commodity 1 is a cheaper commodity, that is X is a cheaper commodity, you will buy all of X. So case 1, if P1 is less than P2, okay, you will be demanding all of X. Okay, so your budget line becomes P1X plus P2. You're not demanding anything of Y, so it is 0 equals to M. So X would be equal to M by P1. Okay, in this case, I'm remember this that I am deriving the demand functions for X. In case if P1 is greater than P2, then you're not demanding anything for X because X has become now a dearer commodity while Y is a cheaper commodity. In this case, your X is 0 and this is Y, and Y is equal to M by P2, okay, not X. So X is 0 in this case. Okay. Now if P1 is equal to P2, then you will be completely indifferent between the two commodities. You can buy any convex combination of X and Y. You can buy all of X or you can buy all of Y. In that case, X would be equal to 0. So you will be buying anything between 0 to M by P1. Okay. 0 signifies that you are buying all of Y. M by P1 signifies that you are buying all of X. Okay. Now remember this that what will be your Engel curve for X and Y. Okay. So Engel curve is going to be, Engel curve is the relation between income and the commodity which is consumed. Okay. So for a given level of prices, when P1 is less than P2, okay, your Engel curve would be M by P1. Okay. That is, remember this that for a given level of prices, I cannot overemphasize this, that is for a given level of prices. Okay, that is for a given level of prices, Engel curves are drawn. So this is a relationship between income, that is M, and X, and your commodity consumed, that is X, for a given level of prices which is P1. So X is equal to M by P1 is the Engel curve if P1 is less than P2. Okay, that is for a given level of prices. So what is the slope in this case? Dx by dm, that is dx by dm would be equal to 1 by P1. Okay, so this is the case if P1 is less than P2. And of course, you're not buying anything for X if P1 is greater than P2. Okay, and you will buy anything between 0 to M by P1 if P1 is equal to P2. Okay, so your Engel curve would be again an upward sloping line even in this case.